A remarkable record was created as 657 participants came together for a chair yoga and workplace wellness session. In today's fast-paced corporate environment, long working hours, physical inactivity, continuous screen time, and workplace stress have become common challenges. To promote health and wellness at work, Kokuyu Workplace India Limited, Maharashtra organized a meaningful chair yoga and workplace wellness session. The special session was conducted on June 21st, 2026 with the enthusiastic participation of 657 people, including the employees and their family members. For 45 minutes, all the participants performed chair yoga exercises and followed simple workplace wellness practices focused on physical well-being, mental health, and stress management. These exercises can help reduce body stiffness caused by prolonged sitting, improve flexibility, support better posture, enhance concentration, and provide mental relaxation during a busy working day. The participation of employees along with their family members made the event even more special and turned it into a collective celebration of health, happiness, and mindful living. Through this initiative, Kokuyu Workplace India Limited delivered a powerful message that employee well-being plays an important role in building a positive, productive, and supportive workplace culture. Kokuyu Workplace India Limited, Maharashtra, India, set the record for the maximum participants in the chair yoga and workplace wellness session. You and your organization can also register your name in the India Book of Records. So, what are you waiting for? Contact us today, and our team will guide you through the entire record registration journey.